Looking for the best Hostinger coupon code right now? Here's a deal you don't want to miss. With my exclusive link in the description, you can get up to 83% off Hostinger hosting plans, plus an extra 20% discount on your billing. That's a massive price drop, making it one of the most affordable ways to start a website, blog, or online business without spending too much. All you need to do is click the link in the description and the coupon code will be automatically applied at checkout, so you don't have to do anything extra. On top of that, you'll also get extra free months included with your plan, giving you even more value for your money. And the best part? Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it completely risk-free. If you've been thinking about launching a website or switching to a faster, more reliable hosting provider, this is the perfect time to do it while the discount is still active. Click the link below now and grab up to 83% off, plus an extra 20% discount before this deal expires.